they're still sick. I'm chewing gum, so shut up. Let's see. I'm a teleporter. No, I'm a hacker. Oops. My bad, y'all. I'm still sick, so hush. Oh, we just got slapped. No! Help me. Oh, you trying to punch the black person. Stop him. Yeah. We're going to the side. Oh my goodness. Yay. I cannot see. I cannot see, yay. I cannot see, Dave. I cannot see. This is stupid. I go to camping area. I see you little camper. What the heck? How did I even get up here? This is stupid. Please stop yelling. Who's a shark? Rock your body. Come on, rock your body. Rock your body. Rock that body. Rock that body. Oh, okay. Yeah, oh, my bad. Oh my gosh, I'm okay. Ooh, broken ankles. Get out this hallway. Oh my gosh. What the heck are you shooting me for? Hold on, I'm confused. Because what? What are you shooting me for? I'm killing every single one of them. Like, what the heck? Well, I don't really care about y'all. Oh, okay. You're being nice. Okay. Rock your body. Okay, let's see. Who does me? That's it. Who does? Hey. Why am I getting hit? I will kill every single one of y'all. I promise you. Wait, Dave. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Broke. The gun is down there. Where would you? What? Where is the gun, Dave? Go revive me. I also close off of this. It's whatever. Yeah, because these people are telling me, hey, we for no reason, Dave. Oh my gosh. Sometimes you just get bored of the job. Alright. Oh my gosh. me like crazy. What do you expect me to do? I like this word. Actually, I like this word, actually. I like that word. Y'all, because y'all tapping the gun like crazy. What do you expect me to do? Last one. And I'm off. I swear this is stupid. Like, do something else. Like, do something else in your life. I'm hitting everyone. I'm hitting everyone. I'm hitting everyone, bro. Move. I'm hitting everyone. I don't really care. Move. Wait. Move.